105 pounds!
You can use that in your biology class to talk about structure versus function with carbohydrates and macromolecules in general. So you're going to show that video. Ask students, like, how is this happening? How is this plant able to hold so much weight? You're going to talk about the macromolecules, talk about their functions. Then you're going to show students the structure of cellulose and other carbohydrates like starch and glycogen. Talk about how cellulose is in cell walls, while starch and glycogen are used to store energy for an organism. Looking at those structures, how does the structure of cellulose differ from the structure of starch and glycogen? How do they differ from each other? How does the structure of cellulose make it a good fit for being able to hold a lot of weight? How does the structure of starch and how does the structure of glycogen make them a good fit for being able to break off energy when needed? That's going to help deepen students' understanding of structure versus function. It's also something you can revisit when you get to cell transport and talk about turgor pressure and how the vacuole pushes up against the cell wall and why the cell wall is able to maintain despite that pressure. To see that written up a bit more formally, go visit my Patreon and my bio and stay curious, y'all.